Are you losing boost and feeling a massive drop in power when you step on the gas? Your turbo system might be dumping all its pressure straight into the atmosphere. Pulling a P022C diagnostic code means your engine control module has detected an electrical value that is too high in the charge air cooler bypass control A circuit. If you drive a forced induction vehicle, your engine uses a charge air cooler, commonly known as an intercooler, to cool down the hot compressed air coming from the turbocharger or supercharger. Cooler air is denser, which creates a more efficient fuel mixture and makes more horsepower. The bypass valve controls this airflow, allowing excess pressure to bypass the intercooler and vent to the atmosphere or recirculate when it is not needed. The engine computer constantly monitors this valve's electrical circuit. When you get a high circuit code, you will definitely feel it. Your vehicle will likely go into limp mode, heavily restricting your speed to prevent damage. You will also notice terrible fuel economy, poor overall performance, and sometimes engine misfires. The causes usually range from a valve that is mechanically stuck open or closed due to carbon buildup, to electrical issues like a broken wiring harness, a blown fuse, or a corroded connector pin. To track down the problem, first locate the bypass valve on your intercooler piping. The intercooler is usually mounted right up front behind the bumper. With the engine off, do a thorough visual inspection of the valve and its wiring harness, looking for any frayed wires or green corrosion on the terminals. Many times, the wiring gets damaged because it sits right in the path of road debris and harsh weather. If you have an advanced scan tool, you can often command the valve to open and close electronically. If you hear it clicking or see it moving freely, the mechanical side might be fine, and you are dealing with a wiring short. You would then use a multimeter to check for electrical continuity between the valve connector and the engine computer. However, diagnosing electrical shorts in complex turbo control systems can be incredibly frustrating without the factory wiring diagrams. If you have checked the basics and the wires look fine but the car is still stuck in limp mode, it is time to hand the keys over to a trusted mechanic. They can run bi-directional tests and pinpoint the high voltage source before you start replacing expensive sensors unnecessarily. Thanks for tuning in, remember to maintain your ride, and see you next time.